Have you been having a cup of cheer now and then? Hey everyone, Cristin here, and I'm having a cup of cheer. Hopefully you're doing that every now and then, whether it's hot cocoa or coffee or tea or whatever works for you. My niece and I made a bunch of hot cocoa bombs last winter, and I put them in the refrigerator, some in the freezer, because I knew I wouldn't go through them very quickly. But this one, after it opened up, it had little mini marshmallows, and it had little red candies or little red somethings. I don't even remember what that was. But tasting it, I think it's probably a peppermint one. It's good, but I think I like the regular one best. But anyway, so I have to tell you a little funny. I went and took a quick peek in the mirror before I started filming, just to make sure I look kind of okay. And I had a big old piece of lettuce on my tooth. Big piece of lettuce. And if I hadn't taken that, purposely taken a second to look, we would have had a blooper throughout the whole video. That would have been funny. All right, so here's what I'm thinking. I think we need a rest day, basically, right? We've been working out hard and making our machines work hard. And so today we're not going to stop, but we're going to just have a very easy day. So we have already done all of section 1, all of section 2, and all of section 3 even. So we've done a ton. And so today I'm thinking one simple block. I just noticed I have a little string on here. I got to fix that. Anyway, so very simple block. So what I'm thinking is we stop having a cup of chi and we make it a cup of cheer, right? Good idea. So we will do that one very simple R. It's cheer 2. It's called cheer 2. So easy day today, I promise. So cheer 2, it's on page 28 of our booklet, and you can see that it's super easy because it has just almost nothing in our packet. So one thing that is in the packet, don't lose that, we'll need that little dot. All right, so let's go ahead and go over what we need for today. So we are going to start with our main fabric. So our main fabric, it's actually gray. I wouldn't call this white on white. It's like a tiny bit of light gray of all the Christmas doodles on there on white fabric. So make sure to back this with fusible stabilizer. It's a big piece of fabric. We are going to start with this at 8.5 by 8.5. 8.5 by 8.5 for our main fabric for the cheer 2 block. And then we just need a piece of batting because we're going to quilt it. So our final cut size on this is 6.5 by 6.5. So that means that we want a piece of batting that is 7 by 7. 7 by 7 for our batting. And I'm using the Kimberbell Project Batting. It's great. I bet you all are just loving it. So Project Batting 7 by 7. And then we are going to quilt it, like I said. So we're probably going to use the same one we did before on the cheer 1. It looks like it's the one with all the cups on it. So let's just see if we're doing the same one. It is cup 1. Yep. So cup 1, just like the other, it's going to be all the same. So you might want to look at what you did on your cheer 1, since these are going to be connected, just to make sure that you use the same thread color for the quilting. So I used white on my thread for the cup of cheer 1. So I'm going to do that on this one as well. I'm going to make sure that it doesn't stand out too much. So white for my quilting, and we're using cup 1, and then we're going to use 6 by 6. Since our final cut size is 6.5 by 6.5, that means we want a quilting design that is 6 by 6. All right, and then like I said, the only other thing that we need is one of these little the little dots, the Velcro dots, and it is the 3/4 inch size, and the only one that we need is the soft one. It's the soft side. All right, and then it says fabric glue. I haven't used that on all the ones that have said fabric glue. I haven't used that, but you absolutely could. When I take it off of this, it's sticky enough that it stays perfectly, and then we do tack it down. So in my opinion, we don't need fabric glue. But maybe that's like for those that are concerned about their needle going through these Velcro dots, whatever works for you. So the 3/4 inch soft side of the Velcro dot. And that's it. That's all we need. So very, very simple day today. And I just noticed that that little Velcro dot, it's so that we can add on the embellishment, the advent item of the cup of cheer. How cute is that? So I want to know, what's your cup of cheer? How funny that I happened to make a cup of cocoa on today. I honestly didn't even plan it. I just wanted some chocolate. So tell me, what is your form of a cup of cheer? One other note, so I am going to use my 8x8 hoop on this. If you are using a 6x10 hoop, you will want to take out steps 6x10 or 6x6, either one. You would want to take out steps 3 and 4 of the placement and tack down for the main fabric, because that's the part of the quilting design that makes it too large for a 6x6 or a 6x10 hoop. If you have a 5x7 hoop, you will need to double hoop because our quilting is 6x6. So you would do a 4x6 and a 2x6 quilting design, and that will work fine. I showed on the very first tutorial how to do that, and that you always have access to that video. My watch is dinging, telling me that I need to get moving. Hello, I'm having chocolate. see the picture of Mary Miller holding up her long 3-section of quilt? Oh my gosh, that was so cute. It made me smile. So I want to see more of that. I want to see pictures of you with your quilt, or pictures of you working out, working on your goal, whatever it is, pictures of what you're eating for dinner. I don't care. I love those pictures though. They make me happy. And my shirt today is my Volkswagen Beetle. Isn't it so cute? So I'm getting excited about making the car on our quilt. I think I'm going to make both the Beetle and the, station wagon. I'll probably make both just to show you guys how to do both, and then decide which one goes on my quilt. But I'm definitely leaning toward a Volkswagen Beetle. I will add under this video information on how I made this shirt.
Of the work that we have to do in life. Show up. Show up for yourself. Show up for those around you that actually need. Show up for that job opportunity that you're not really sure if it's going to happen or not. Show up. You can only find out what it is. Come on. Now it's the 7 minutes. And get me started here.
I'm recording.
Okay.
Let it rip.
You got it.